Here we are at Revelstoke Mountain Resort in Shade Sails, Canada, hometown. We wanted to show you some of the cool shade sails we've done up the mountain where all these cool mountain bikers are going. So there's the gondola, takes you to the top of the highest ski mountain in North America. But we've got some shade sails up at mid-station. We're gonna go up there and show you how cool the shade is and how they all look. This is the beginning of the Shade the Nation tour. We make all our sails right here in this beautiful town of Revelstoke. We want to show you this in-town application where we use shade sails. It's not busy yet in the season. This is where they all line up to get on the hype coaster. They come up the gondola, so we got shade sails everywhere here, so we got massive amount of shade for all the guests. This is the start, as I say, of the Shade the Nation tour. We're gonna be going all around the country, doing installs from here, BC, all the way across to Ontario, and even into Eastern Canada as well. If you look real close, you might see the logo on one of the sails where we've actually sewn RMR or the big R on the shade sail. So it's kind of cool. As I say, the goal here is lots of shade for people to line up. We got Isaac here from RMR. He's going to tell us a little bit about working here at the pipe coaster where he runs down these cool coasters. You can see he's standing under the shade sails. Tell us what you think of those babies, Isaac.
Oh, they're definitely a lifesaver. We need them in the summer when it gets to 35 degrees and all that. Definitely a lifesaver out here.
This place will be packed with people. Obviously, they're lining up under the sails, right?
Yeah, they line up all under here. Sometimes cats are there, but everyone loves them.
And this your first year here, Isaac?
Second summer.
Oh, so you were here when we first put them up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So they made a big difference.
Yeah, I can't imagine it without them.
So we got Damo getting paid to go on a coaster ride underneath our shade sails. Have a blast, man. We're coming to you from our second stop on the Shade Nation tour, which is actually still at Revelstoke Mountain Resort, just down at their aerial park. It's got this awesome aerial park. Packs out in the summertime. We've got our shade sails here over the lineup so people can line up and be shaded. So we're doing lots of areas in this mountain resort where we live and work. And so from here, we're headed for Canmore in Alberta and all the way across the country doing shade sail installs. Follow us along. Shade the Nation tour, Shade Sails Canada.